Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to select language. Let's select English, then tap next. Then you have to select your region, tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to agree with privacy policy and user agreement. Tap next. Then you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card anytime later. Then you have Google services. If you want them, just leave them. If you don't want them, disable them, like me. But in any case, you will have to accept Google's terms of use and privacy policy. In the following step, what you have to do is to... In the following step, you can set up your password, like fingerprint, or maybe another type of the screen lock, like pattern, PIN, password. Or you can just skip the step and do this anytime later in settings. Then you have these additional settings. If you want them, you can just leave them, but I prefer not to use them. Then you have to select default launcher. You can select classic, you can select app drawer. Then you have to choose a theme, classic or limitless, and that's it. Setup complete. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.